Let's see how to fix the problem with a motion sensor not detecting your pets. Here I have this Tapo Smart Motion Sensor, but it works with any smart sensor, right? So here, for example, I have this lamp and then the sensor. So I move my hand here, see that turns on the lamp. So it's basically working. But let's say you have a cat or a dog and the sensor is not detecting them, right? So let me just explain here with this user guide. Here you can get your user guide for your sensor, and you just need to find this, right? There we go. This is for the top one. But here see the information about the detection area. Sometimes your cat or your dog is just out of the detection area. Here's the sensor, see a side view, 7 meter, 5 and 1 meter. That's the way it works basically. So if your cat or your dog just come here in this area, it's not going to be detected, okay? And here's the top view, you see it's the same concept. From the top you see you have 120 degrees. That's the area for the detection. And if your cat is just right here, it's not gonna work. So what I have to do here is just use more than one sensor. Let's say here, for example, you have this one, right? Then you place this on one location. You're gonna have here 120 degrees of the detection. Then you can have a second one in a different location. So you can detect your pet and cover more area. That's one way to go. And the other thing that I have to check as well, sometimes your sensor is good, the detection area is good, but here on the sensor you can check some things like the detection interval. See here for this top one, I have 4 seconds. Sometimes you have just a time like 60 seconds, right? And then when your cat or your dog moves in front of the sensor and then it leaves the location and comes back in less than 60 seconds, it's not going to detect. So we just need to come here to the interval and change it, right? Here for 4 seconds, for example, and just save it, okay? Something else is just the schedule as well. Here I have this smart action to turn on the lamp. So when I come here, see that I have the effective time to work from 12 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. And if I just make a mistake like this, for example, I come here and instead of a.m., I put here, let's say p.m., right? I hit done here. Then again, let me just save it. And now it's not gonna work because right now it's 11:26 a.m. and the effective time is just 4 p.m. so it's not gonna work. So if I come here and just turn this lamp off and then I just move in front of the sensor, it's not gonna work as well, right? Sometimes it's just a simple mistake like this. So I just need to come back here, change the schedule or change this to always. And then it's going to work again, right? I just come here and move my hand and you see that's working, right? So basically it's this, you just need to check the area, the sensitivity as well. Here is normal. Let's say you have a small pet, right? Just need to come here and move this to high, right? It's the opposite here. So high basically is going to detect small pets, right? And if you leave like normal or low, it's not gonna work. So here's more sensitive. So just leave it in high and you're good to go. It's going to work better. And you can check here as well when the event is being triggered, when the sensor is being triggered. You just check the event here and you're good to go, right? So hope that helps. Basically, that's the way you can check why the motion sensor is not detecting pets, right? Leave your comments here, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.